Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your network into Bitget Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the networks, you just simply have to open your Bitget Wallet application. And after opening the Bitget Wallet, you will get to see a bunch of options into here. Among them, you just simply have to select this option of wallet. Now after coming into here, you will get this option of all mainnets into the top right corner. Tap into that, and from here you can select any specific network or mainnet. I'm gonna select the stone into here, and this way you can easily see the network is successfully changed. This way you can also do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.